Here we're asked to determine the exact value of each of the following trig expressions without using a calculator. So for that means I'm going to be using the unit circle. So for the first one here, I need to sketch 7 pi over 6, which is right about here, because it's pi over 6 more, or a sixth more than half the circle. So cosine is the x value. Since I'm going to the left here, I know it's going to be negative. And since that's, so let me highlight that in a different color here. Since this x value is the long side, I'm going to call that negative root 3 over 2. The more practice you get with these, the easier they become. So for b, it says sine of 3 pi over 2. So my unit circle here, 3 pi over 2 lands exactly on this line. I'm talking about the y value, which is going to be negative, and it goes down to the very bottom. So that's going to be negative 1. Then we got tangent of 3 pi over 2. So in this one here, I'm going to do it knowing that tangent of an angle equals sine over cosine. So I'm going to show you why we get our answers this way. So in this case, tangent of 3 pi over 2, this is the same line that we just drew for the last one. And we know for that one, my sine value is negative 1. My cosine value, however, is 0 because I'm not going to the right or the left. And I cannot divide by 0. So that means that this one here is going to be what we call undefined. And the last one here, tangent of 2 pi over 3. So when I sketch 2 pi over 3, that's the tall one like this, meaning that my sine value, so first sine of 2 pi over 3 is going up, so it's positive. It's the long side, the sine is, the y value is. So that's going to be root 3 over 2. Then my cosine is going to be the short side, which is 1/2. So cosine equals 1/2. And then tangent is just sine divided by cosine. So I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. Oh, I forgot to mention that my cosine is negative because we went to the left. So I'm multiplying by negative 2. The 2's cancel. I'm left with just negative root 3. So tangent of 2 pi over 3 is equal to negative root 3.